Brand new equity peaks in the portfolios yesterday in 5 of the 8 portfolios. Big trading day. Nice longs in the stock indexes. Nice shorts in crude oil, putting us there. This is the All Strategy Access 78. See, it's at a brand new equity peak. It also had its brand new largest winning day. It's never had a winning day that large, but hit a new one yesterday. Such a big trading day for the portfolios. 5 of the 8 at equity peaks. All Strategy Access Shortlist 51, also at equity peaks. It was up yesterday 13,245. And then the All Strategy Access 51 plus 7 new. Almost at an equity peak, $412 away. Yesterday it was up $19,630. It was in a $20,000 drawdown coming in to yesterday's trade and made it back. We're seeing lots of choppy days followed by a massive trends. And let's see, stock index portfolio 27 is 2260 from an equity peak up on the month. Yesterday it was up 11,702.50. And the 200K portfolio is next. It was up on the day, brand new equity peaks up on the month. It was up on the day 11,842.50. And the 50K portfolio. 50K portfolio had a big day yesterday too. Brand new equity peaks up 41.15, 12.85 the previous day. Huge week. It was in a $5,000 drawdown coming in to the month, and so it made all that back. So up a little bit from its most recent equity peak. You see all the way to a $5,000 drawdown, and then this week it is up 5,400. So up 380 from its last equity peak, and up 3,200 on the month. Good for a 50K portfolio. Micro stock index in gold, micro gold was up on the day. Big gain on this one. It was up 2,055, and this is 37 strategy micro stock index and gold portfolio, but it's still an $847 drawdown. And then the conservative it's up 1,000 on the month, which is equivalent to 10,000 on a E-mini. Up 994.25 yesterday. Brand new equity peaks. So this one will officially be updated. Once again, we just updated this portfolio to change out the AT 2020 to AT 2021. We did that. The AT 2021 just uses a different symbol and calculates the average daily range a little differently based on the non.D symbol from TradeStation. So it's not like we optimized to change it, but that was updated on July the 1st. On August 1st, we'll officially add the crude oil strategies to this portfolio. If you have a subscription to the micro stock index and micro gold portfolio, we sent out the crude oil strategies to you. You have access to those now, and officially they will start being tracked in the portfolio on August the 1st. Want to put that at a beginning of a new month, and so the way to look at previous months is to go down to the old portfolios and see the date transitions on those. So for example, the micro stock index and micro gold portfolio conservative, this was through June 30th, and if you go back, it's also at equity peaks, also up on the month, and so there's not a big change between these, and so that's how you can take a look at the history. So that is the update that we wanted to share with you today before Wednesday's official day session open. This 5 of the 8 portfolios were at equity peaks. After last Thursday's drawdown alert, recommend starting on drawdowns if you haven't started. It's hard to time portfolios, so if you know something goes up and then it goes into a drawdown, then it goes up and it goes into a drawdown, goes up and goes into a drawdown, those can tend to be. This is a more cyclical equity curve than what happens in real life. If it were exactly perfectly cyclical each time, you could just time it. You could find a way to time it, but it's not perfectly cyclical each time. But And so it's hard to get in and get out if you're trying to get in and then get out and then get in and then get out. That's difficult. But if you're starting out or adding contracts, I always recommend that you try to get in on a drawdown, which is similar to buying dips in an equity or buying dips in a stock. So that is the latest on the portfolio. We'll have this updated once you see this video. This portfolio calculator will be updated in our portfolio calculator set on the website. Website's been updated, so it's easier to follow and get to. You can just simply click on calculator here at the top, and it says July the 16th. But by the time you see this video, it will be updated through July the 20th. You can simply download this Excel spreadsheet and see all the latest results.